Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial video guys, we will write a program to convert into years, weeks, days. The given day is 373 and I will display the result on the screen using TypeScript programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today. Okay, so we have here several comments. Var days 773. So var given days, so conversion in this portion. So var years, days, divide by 365. Var weeks, days, modulos, if there is a remainder of 365, divide by 7 because 7 days a week. Days equals days modulus 365 modulus 7. So display the results here. The given day, number of years here, number of weeks, number of days. Now, so I am using Matplotlib to round off now end of program. Don't worry because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my websites. Let us go to our Visual Studio Code to run. So to compile first, tsc space days dot ts. Press the enter key to compile. Let us wait for a while. Okay, to run node space days dot js. Okay, we have here the output, the given display results, the given days 373, number of years 1, number of weeks 1, number of days 1, and a program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video of number of years, weeks, and days in a given days in TypeScript programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. You may click also the notification bell so that you will notified with my newly uploaded video. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.